Hi, I'm LaShawn and welcome to my YouTube channel. If this is your first time here and you want to be inspired on a daily basis, then this is the perfect place for you. Start now by subscribing and clicking the bell. Hello. It's me, LaShawn, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. I'm so glad you decided to join me here once again. It's going to be a beautiful day because your day will be how you make it. If you wake up and start off in a positive attitude, that's the way your day is going to be. Okay, so if you're new here, I tell you just a little bit about myself to start off my videos. I am LaShawn. I am the divorced mother of 3 adult children, 2 boys and a girl. Their ages are 22, 24, and 30. So as you can see, I'm an empty nester. I am a YouTuber over the age of 50, and that's all you need to know. Okay? I am also a United States Navy veteran. I am now disabled, and because I'm disabled, I work from home and I do this YouTube thing and I hustle every single day. I'm also a surgical tech. I did that for many, many years. I had a lot of fun doing that. It brought me lots and lots of joy. So now I'm here on YouTube and I try each day to uplift, encourage, and inspire as many people as I can. So if any of that sounds like something you want to hear or sounds like something that you want to tune into, all you have to do is like, share, comment, and subscribe to my YouTube channel. And don't forget to click the bell because that's the only way you're going to be notified when I have new videos, okay? So here's the video for today. Hello YouTube, it's me LaShawn and welcome back to my channel. We are in the kitchen and so we're gonna throw something together. You know how we do it. So we don't know what we're gonna make, if I'm gonna cook, if I'm gonna make breakfast, lunch, dinner, we don't know. We just try to throw something together with what we already have. Times are hard, people don't have money, and we are doing the very best we can, stretching the little bit of budget we have for our meals. So come on and join me in the kitchen. Okay, let's see what we're gonna do. I've made a decision. We're gonna get our stuff ready for. Okay, so we got a cucumber, some carrots, and the rest of this lettuce. And we are gonna make us a salad. Okay, let's get a bowl. Here's a bowl, and we'll rinse out. All right, we're gonna start with the lettuce, and I have a bowl already in the sink, and that's where we'll rinse it when we're finished. We'll get the rest of this. It's not much lettuce left, but we don't waste anything. We use everything that we have. And again, you gotta, the pieces that don't look too hot, just get rid of them. I gotta have crispy lettuce, no wilted lettuce. And so we'll just cut this up. We try not to waste anything around here. We try to use everything we can. And salad is very good. The problem is salads don't last like they used to. Salads used to last, quite a bit. Not anymore. Not anymore. So I have to use the lettuce as soon as I can. So if I make tacos or something like that, it goes fast. But just for salads. I don't like to eat salads every day. It's just not a everyday thing for me. But salads can be good if you got good chicken to put in it. Oh, this lettuce looks good. And I've got some French dressing from the dollar store. And it's just as good as the Catalina. Well, not as good. It's good, but it's not as good. I take that back. I love Catalina, but it ain't never on sale no more. But when I can get the Catalina on sale, I do. I do love it. We'll keep a couple pieces big for presentation purposes. This is nice and crispy at the end too. Then the hard part I always just cut off. And this will make a full salad. And then I can eat off of it today. I don't waste nothing. All right. Now we're gonna rinse off our lettuce. Here is all our lettuce right here. Like I said, this is a nice amount. And we didn't waste that lettuce. Now we just gotta clean this up and rinse off our lettuce. Oh, my trash about to fall. I have got to get a new stand for that. Now we're gonna cut up our cucumber, my very favorite part. Oh. I love cucumbers. What can I say? Love it. We'll cut it up and rinse it off. And everybody around here knows I love me some cucumbers. And I like to cut them thin. And someone asked the last video I did if I shave my carrots. I mean, not the carrots. If I shave the cucumbers, and I told them no. I like to keep it on. I like the taste of it. It's really up to you. But I just cut them really thin because I like to have cucumbers in every bite. So it's really up to you. Love me some cucumbers. And this comes from childhood. My mother used to make, when she made salad, I'd always sneak up and tell her, could you just cut me off a little piece? I guess I was a little weird because I love cucumbers and carrots. I like carrots, but cooked, I'm not a big fan. I will eat them, but I am not a big fan of carrots cooked. But anyway, that is the end. We cut this little piece off. We can get a couple more out of here. And that's it. This part gotta go out. As you can see, this is how I cut my cucumbers. See how thin that is? And that's how I like it. And we're gonna rinse off these cucumbers and we're gonna add them to our next. We're gonna add some carrots to our salad. And I found these small ones. Oh, this is not a reusable bag. I thought it was. I just put these in a Ziploc bag so we can get another salad out of it. We don't want anything to go to waste. Now, we'll get some out of here, rinse them off, and cut them on up and add them to our salad. Everybody don't like carrots. I do. I love the taste of them in my salad. Yeah, I thought this was a reusable bag. I made a mistake. See, I like to get the reusable bags because you don't waste food that way. It'll stay as fresh as it can for as long as it needs to be. It's easier to rinse these off first. Because once you cut them, they're too small. There we go. And our salad is sitting right off here to the right, so I can just add them on in there. And you don't have to really cut these up that much, because they're pretty small. Just clip them about that big. That way you can have some in every bite. Sometimes I'll get just one or two, but when I can find the baby ones, I get them because I like to eat them. And we'll get these into our salad. And that's it. I just put carrots, cucumbers, lettuce, and if I want a tomato, I'll add it right before I eat it, because if not, it slimes up my salad. I'm not really into that. I'm not a big tomato girl, but it does add to the flavor though. And the whole purpose is to get a filling taste, because you know times are hard. Your meal has to last, you know. Yummy, yummy carrots. Yummy, yummy, yummy. In my tummy. We're all finished with our salad. As you can see, this is our salad. Of course, I'm going to put pepper on top of mine. I love pepper. But that is our salad. We got carrots, cucumbers, and the lettuce all mixed in. And we're going to taste this right after I get me some pepper. Love me some pepper on my salad. Again, it's not for everybody, but it is for me. Just a little bit. And today we're going to use our dressing. Here is our French style dressing from the dollar store. And we're going to pour a little bit of that on our salad. Just a little. There it is. Yummy, yummy, yummy. Now we're going to get a fork and we're going to taste this joker. Let's taste this salad. Gotta get me a cucumber in there, right? Nice and crunchy. See that? That is good. One more bite. our new salad dance. See, I added that little moving. I'm just kidding. Thank you for joining me today. Remember, we use what we have. If we didn't have carrots, we'd still be eating this salad. But I'm glad we do got them. I'm grateful that we do got them. Last time we made salad, we didn't have carrots. So I appreciate the carrots that we got this week. So use what you got in your house. If you got some leftover chicken, throw that chicken in there. It'll take it to a whole nother level. Okay? So anyway, some people like cheese on their salad. The cheese will add a pop of flavor. I don't put cheese on mine, but it is still good. Croutons, anything, throw it on there. Make it as hearty as possible. Low cost, and it doesn't have to break the bank. Okay? Thanks for joining me, everybody, in the kitchen with LaShawn. Okay? Bye-bye. I just want to say thank you for joining me here once again. And if you haven't already, please like, share, comment, and subscribe to my YouTube channel. But you know, you have to click that bell to be notified every single time that I put out a new video. Okay? It's as simple as that. Now you can join the membership channel for $1.99 a month. That's it. It's the lowest around. Okay? It's a bargain. $1.99 a month. That's less than a cup of coffee. And you will be blessing the Positive Patch. And it'll come right back to this channel. Okay? So at this time in the video, we like to breathe in and breathe out so that we can get our day started. You ready? Breathe in, breathe out. We thank you, Father. We are so grateful for this day. We are thankful that you woke us up this morning. So, wherever you're headed today, to work, to school, to the gym, wherever you gotta go, be happy, be joyful, put a smile on your face, and just be grateful that you are alive, okay? Because it's always somebody worse off than you, okay? And whoever you encounter today, treat people with respect, okay? Okay? So have a good day, have a blessed day, and remember, God loves you, and so do I. Goodbye, everybody. Bye-bye. Thank you guys for watching today. Hope you enjoyed today's video. Take a minute to leave a comment. I look forward to talking to you soon.